So there's a hidden economy that's actually forming right now online. You're not going to see it in Forbes. You're not going to see it trending on TikTok, but it's a real thing. And it's creating a new kind of millionaire, one community at a time. And while most people are out there fighting for views and trying to figure out the algorithms and chasing after clients, there's a new kind of creator that's out there, a small group of creators, and they're stacking recurring income quietly. And they're just helping their people. They're using YouTube, AI, and Skool. And in this video, I'm actually going to show you what this new economy is, what it looks like, who's winning at it, and I'll show you how you can actually join this wave before it hits the mainstream. Every decade, there's a platform shift that basically creates a new class of people winning out there in business, on the internet. And you can think about like the 2000s were all about blogs. And then the 2010s, that was all about social media. And then you've got the 2020s now, and this is all about community ecosystems. So if you look at it, we've gone from audiences to followers to now members. People don't want to scroll anymore. They don't want to sit there doom scrolling. They actually want to belong to something. And something that's actually real. You know, as AI starts making everything, is that real? Is that fake? Am I talking to a real person? You know exactly what I'm talking about. Everybody's going through this, right? And as, these new apps like Sora 2 come out where it's completely AI, there's all these deep fakes, there's all this stuff. It's like you can't tell what's real. People are going to want to belong. They're going to want to be in a community, and they want to actually get results, and they want to work with people and make a transformation. They don't need just a bunch of information. And the people who are building these paid communities, they're going to be able to deliver those results. They're going to be the ones getting recurring income that's stacking and compounding, and they'll be the ones that'll be breaking free, while the others who don't know about this economy are just going to be chasing and going. And so if you're watching this, be really grateful that you're figuring this out right now. Because those people that figure out this community ecosystem and they start building members of a community, think of it as like a tribe where everybody helps make a transformation, they'll be the ones that are quietly making millions on the internet, and they become the new strength of the middle class of the internet that really goes and performs beyond anybody else by actually doing less work. Let's look at some real numbers and let's actually break this down. Skool has less than 10,000 communities that are active worldwide right now. And that's actually nothing when you compare it to over the 200 million YouTube channels that are out there and active. Yet, even though it's just 10,000 communities, because of the new community ecosystem, this new economy, the average Skool community is earning anywhere from $3,000 to $30,000 a month recurring. You can think of it as like owning some digital real estate that actually pays you each and every month recurring. Except the real difference here is your tenants, of that real estate, they actually want to be there. They're actually excited because they're inside of something that they belong to, that's real, that's a community, that they can actually get that transformation that they came to get. Now, if you combine what AI is doing to actually take 80% of the heavy lifting off to create the community, to create the traffic, and you think about how YouTube's actually feeding that traffic in there for free, quality traffic. If you haven't watched, some of my other videos, I talk about how YouTube actually can help you really funnel that traffic in without having to use ads or funnels or any of those weird things. But if you think about that, you've got the community that's actually working with each other because the community members help the community members. You can do something once that keeps paying you over and over again. And then as you build that community and you're starting to get all this traffic from YouTube feeding in, AI is taking all the heavy lifting off. You can really see how you get to build this scalable, sustainable business model that keeps paying you. And it's actually a really solid thing all the way through. It's going to be taking over the internet. You're going to see paid membership communities becoming more and more popular as we go. I'm telling you right now, this isn't some trend. This is literally a quiet revolution that's happening. And as I'm seeing it and looking around, people are not seeing it. So I say it's a quiet revolution, and you can join that thing. All right, so hopefully you're understanding what I'm talking about with this new creator, this new, economy, the paid community, the membership ecosystem. But let's look at what this new creator actually looks like. You see, they're not going to be these influencers. They're going to be actual builders. They're not going to be chasing sponsorships or trying to get paid off of getting a bunch of views and things like that. They're going to actually be focused on building systems, recurring paying systems, and creating community where there's emergence, where people actually start helping other people. And it's you facilitating that environment, but you getting paid recurring because you did that one time. The new creator, they don't care about likes and virality and tons of views. They care about consistency. They care about building recurring income that compounds. And they focus on getting someone a transformation in a very small segment of the economy. The new creators, they're going to focus on using YouTube to attract people. They're going to focus on getting good with AI to create the content faster, to create better content, more organized, to have things automated. And then they're going to use Skool to actually convert that attention into recurring cash flow. And they're going to focus on building a system that helps people get a real result. This new creator, they're not going to be somebody that's loud and shouting and doing all these, standing in front of Ferraris and stuff like that. What they're going to do is they're going to be earning 5, 10, 15, 30, 100 grand a month, some even 400 grand a month. And they're going to be doing it quietly, and they're going to be doing it with freedom. They're going to have real-time freedom because they're going to have a system that's working for them out there. That's this big difference. They're not chasing clients. They're not doing one-to-one coaching. They're not in these done for you and done with you service models. They're building a membership community. And they're building a transformation portal that the members help the other members, and they're doing one call a week. And, you can always do more, and you can scale this out however you want to. Those are going to be the new creators. If you would have joined Shopify back in 2012, you could have built an empire. And if you would have joined YouTube, let's say in 2015, you could have grown a massive audience. Right now, we are in that same sort of window of opportunity. This time, it's with community monetization with recurring income. But here's the big difference between those other options and those other things. Here, the big difference is you don't need some inventory that has to be shipped and refueled and stocked and all these things. You don't need a bunch of followers, and you don't need a bunch of subscribers on YouTube. What you need is expertise and systems. And even with the expertise part, the way AI is helping, you can use that as your friend, as your assistant, as we talked about, to actually help you with that expertise part. You have to be more of like a curator and a director. And if you have the expertise, that's just a cherry on top. But you can build a community, start learning what people need inside that community, and start serving them that, and have systems that will help you do that on autopilot. And you'll have systems that help people inside the community. Here's the wild thing. Skool is growing exponentially right now. It's literally doubling every 6 months. But the thing is it's extremely early. Sounds kind of cheesy, but if you really think about it, this is kind of like your ground floor moment right now. And by the time the world actually figures this all out, if you take action right now, you won't have to worry about all the best niches being taken. And you'll have this like first mover's advantage where you'll be able to collect that recurring cash flow, and it'll just keep compounding as the world starts to wake up to this whole idea. And inside Make Once, which is our community on Skool, we're actually building this new economy together. Inside, you actually learn how to use AI to automate your workflow and build those systems. You learn how to use YouTube to grow your audience organically and authentically. And we show you how to use Skool to turn it all into a recurring income that works for you all the time, that gets better as the members go through it and get the results. And we show you how to do this faster, easier, and more effectively. And this isn't theory either. This is literally happening every single week inside of our Skool community. New members are learning how to do this. They're launching their schools, and they're discovering this new ecosystem, this new community monetization. And if you want to be part of that new creator class, all you have to do is go to www.makeonce.com, and it gives you all the details right there. Or you can go down in the description. Because I'm telling you right now, this wave is not going to stay around for long. So the faster you act on this thing, the faster you can get ahead of it and get that compounding effect kicking in. All right, so now you should start really understanding this new economy, this new community ecosystem, community monetization, recurring income. Now you're probably really starting to understand this community monetization, the new community ecosystem, and how people are quietly building these recurring incomes. But now we need to talk about something else, and that's the machine or the weapon that actually made this all possible, which is AI. And in this next video, I'm actually going to show you how AI is quietly replacing entire teams to build all the things that need to be built so that you can do this very simply. It literally is turning solo creators into full-scale companies from home or wherever you have your laptop or your computer. And with AI, it's actually multiplying the output of these creators by 10x with 0 extra hours. And that's how you're actually going to scale this business to, I mean, like I said, some people are doing over 4 million a year recurring with this, and they're doing it without burnout. So I don't want you to miss out on how that actually works. So there's going to be a video popping up on the screen right now. I don't want you to miss it.